Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is a haul video. This is the new catalogue from Stampin' Up. It went live on the 3rd of June and I was able to do my order, and oh what an order I did. I tend to order everything I want from the catalogue in one go, therefore I maximise my hostess benefits, any deals that are going, the amount of, there's a deal at the moment. If you have more than £200 in your order, you get an extra £20 worth of hostess benefits. So I tend to do it as one go, then I can maximise my freebies. So I've got quite a bit to show you, so I'm going to do it into two parts. The first part's going to be stamp sets, dies and embossing folders, and then the second part will be everything else. So this is the new catalogue, and now I can show it to you. And it is just lovely. Look at all these glorious things, as you can see. Now if you want a copy of this catalogue yourself, if you just hop onto my website, and the link is below in the description box, and click on contact me, and you can request a catalogue there and I will get one sent out to you straight away. So don't hesitate to do that. It's much better to see this in real life than it is to see it on the camera. It really is a gorgeous catalogue. So let me show you what I got. So I'm going to start off initially with, oops, sorry about the noise, about the stamp sets that have a die, as I always do. And we're going to start off with this one, All Things Fabulous. And as you can see, it's a two-step stamp set. That means you can build up the layers to get real definition and detail. And then you've got some matching dies to go with it. Then you've got this one, So Much Happy. And I got this really for the happy and all these different little phrases, and I really like the dies. Like here, I love this one that says happy. It's just great. This die is going to be great to use in a card. Then I've got this one, it's called Hand Drawn Blooms, and I really like this huge bunch of what to me looks like meadow flowers. And then you've got all these little wonderful sentiments to go with it, and of course you've got this wonderful die here that matches it. As you can see, this die will cut out a similar shape to this, not exactly this shape, but similar. Then you've got one of my favourites in the new catalogue, Prized Peony. And I love peonies. We don't have one here, but we had one in my old house. It was absolutely gorgeous. We might plant one here. They can be a little difficult to plant. And then you've got this fabulous die set that cuts out the peonies. It also cuts out other dies that you can layer up, paper piece a peony together as well. And then we've got this one called Beautiful World, which has the world here. And I like it that it has both sides, so you've not just got the Americas, you've got Europe, and for me more importantly Africa as well. And then you've got matching dies as well. Then you've got this one I love, Pampered Pets. Look at the little kitty and the dog. And he's just so cute, and you've got these little butterflies and hearts and tiny little mouse. And then of course you have the dies to cut that out. Okay, and the one I've included here is Zoo Globe. I don't have the dies here with me, but these were in the main catalogue, where they carried over from the Christmas catalogue. It was the Shaker Snow Dome, and you can use the same die here. So those are those ones. Let me move this all out the way, and then I'll bring in the next set, which are these. So these are some background stamps, and this one is Stacked Stone. Then you've got Dry Brush. Let me try and get rid of some of that glare, if at all possible. Sort of, maybe. You've got this one, Pretty Parasol, and this actually matches our already umbrella Builder Punch, that's what I'm trying to say. You've got this one, Happiest of Birthdays, and I love these big sentiments, that's why I've gone for that one. I think I need to move it again because I can't see what I'm doing. Sorry about the glare. Then you've got this one, Best Year, and I got this really for this lovely thank you sentiment. Then you've got this one, Hooray to You. I love this idea of the balloon with a happy birthday in it, and then you can colour it in. Then you've got this one, Zany Zebras. This one, Walk in the Woods. basket of blooms, and these little blooms here match the small bloom punch that's already in the catalogue. And then this last one I love is Field Journal. I love this mallard here, and if you do reverse stamping you can have Mr. Mallard and Mrs. Mallard, and then you've got this little critter here as well. So those are those. Then I have two stamp set with punches. This one, Fabulous Phrases, and then you've got this fancy tag topper punch. I like this again, the sentiments, birthday wishes, when I count my blessings, may your heart be filled with heart-filled happiness. And then I've got these lovely little florals here as well. So you've got those two. And then you've got this postage stamp, rectangular postage stamp. And then you've got this matching little sentiment here. And I really like here the little birdies and this love I like. And the special delivery as well. I like it all. So you've got that. Okay, what else do I have to show you? Some embossing folders. Okay, so we have a new die cutting machine in the catalogue. Unfortunately, it's not available yet to purchase. There's two forms. There's a larger form and there's a smaller form. So we have embossing. The larger one takes all sizes. The smaller one only takes small sizes. So we have some small embossing folders for the small one. And we've got two here. This is Little Details and Meadow Moments. And then we've got the big one, which is called Dainty Diamonds. And then we've got our extra large ones, which are, these are 3D ones here. Dandelions. And this one called Seabed. So that's all my dies, embossing folders, stamps, punches, all that sort of stuff. So I'm just going to clear this all away and I'll come back with part 2 with everything else. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. If you want a copy of the catalogue, as I said, hop onto my website and click on the contact me button and I will get one out to you straight away. So don't forget to come back for part 2. See you soon.